This is the story of a boy named Mohan who lived in a small house. Mohan's family included his mother, father, and a little sister. Because of poverty, Mohan never got the chance to go to school. But being the elder brother, he wanted his little sister to study and go to school. One morning, Mohan was walking along the roadside far from his home. As he walked, he started thinking,
What work should I do now? Should I drive a taxi with my father or help my mother by cleaning other people's houses?
Just then he saw a boy delivering newspapers to different homes. Seeing this, Mohan got an idea and he thought to himself,
Oh wow! This newspaper selling job looks interesting.
Mohan went to the boy and said,
Friend, my name is Mohan and I live nearby. I want to do this newspaper selling work too. Can you help me to get this job?
The newspaper boy smiled and said,
You are so lucky, my friend. My boss needed one more helper to work with me. It's good that I found you. Let me take you to my boss.
The newspaper boy introduced Mohan to his boss. From the next day, Mohan also started delivering newspapers along with the boy. Because of his good behavior, Mohan quickly made many friends. It's been around 1 month since he was delivering newspapers. And then Mohan received his first salary and he was very happy to see it. Counting the money, Mohan thought to himself,
Okay, I will use this money to admit my sister to school and give the rest to my mother so she doesn't have to work in other homes. I'm feeling really good now.
Slowly, things improved at Mohan's home and his sister Janki started going to school. One morning, while delivering newspapers to a house, the owner asked Mohan something.
Hey Mohan, do you know anyone who sells milk? I need milk every evening but can't find anyone who delivers it on time. I'm really facing this problem every day. No sir, I don't know anyone now, but if I do, I will send them to your house first. You stay assured from my side.
The whole day passed, but the owner's words stayed in Mohan's mind. He thought deeply and thinking, he said to himself,
I deliver newspaper in the morning and am free in the evening. Why not use this free time? Tomorrow morning, I'll ask people if they need anything else while giving newspapers.
From the next day, Mohan started his new plan, and this marked the start of his hard work and success. He managed 2 jobs now, as a result of which he started income from both these sources. After a few years, Mohan was earning well. One day, he thought to himself,
I need to expand my business. Just milk and newspapers are not enough. Why not deliver groceries too? There is high demand for it. All grocery items delivered at your doorstep in just a few minutes. Yes, that will work. Let me try for it.
Mohan started buying items wholesale in bulk and sold them to customers at the market price. While delivering newspapers, he also delivered milk and groceries too. He made people's lives easier. Because of his good reputation, customers always preferred to order from him. Seeing the good response and demand of his services, Mohan opened a supermarket where people came to shop, and he also continued delivering the goods to their home. His business had grown very big. One day, Mohan told his manager,
We need to add more products to the store and also create an app so people can shop online easily. Just one click and their orders will be delivered on time. What do you think about it? What an idea, Sarji! This will increase our profit margin.
Because of this idea, Mohan's business grew even more. Everything was going well. One day, Mohan saw a small boy sitting alone outside his store. Mohan saw him and then went to him and asked,
Hey champ, what are you doing here? I need work, sir. No one earns in my family.
Hearing this, Mohan remembered his own childhood. He saw himself in the boy.
Champ, from today, I will take responsibility for your family. Bring your father here tomorrow. I'll give him work. And you will go to school. No more work for you, huh? Only studies. In a good school. Happy?
Mohan began helping people because he didn't want others to suffer like he did. His name became known as a successful businessman. People were impressed by him. He was once the same simple boy, a boy who changed himself over time, who not only understood people's needs but gave a thought on how to solve their problems so that both the people and he himself would benefit out of it. Because of his thinking, Mohan became a respected person and also helped others. This story teaches us that a person who always looks for solutions and cares about others' well-being is always successful.